Hey lovely, so as promised I said I'll keep dropping updates on SUI Bison as it progresses or as the update drops. Is SUI Bison a scam as at 10th of March 2025? I am not 100% sure, but I can tell you that I am 80% no longer confident in SUI Bison. Let me repeat that. I am 80% no longer confident in SUI Bison. And this is an update that came early this morning around after 6 Nigerian time and 6 a.m. around after 6 a.m. Nigerian time, and I immediately forwarded this to my Telegram channel. So those on my Telegram channel are already aware of this news. So it says this is on SUI Bison channel on Telegram. Attention everyone, important update. Transitioning into a full-scale Web3 project. We appreciate your continued patience and cooperation as we navigate this transition phase. Our team of devs have been working tirelessly to expand the SUI Bison contract to a full-scale Web3 project, and we are now taking significant steps to achieve this. In other words, they are almost at the point where they are going to take their project to create it into a Web3 project. And so they said the key update is crowdfunding closure. We are ending the SUI Bison crowdfunding to focus on our core product development and strategic partnership as advised by our legal team. 2. Temporary deposit and withdrawal halts. We are temporarily shutting down deposits and withdrawals to enable our dev team to finalize on game and our learn and integrations and contract expansion. I made I made mention of this in my last video that deposits on SUI Bison is under maintenance according to what is on their app. That is, it's halted. Now they came here now to claim that yes, temporary deposits and withdrawals come to a halt. That is, you cannot deposit for now and you can't withdraw for now. Then they said SBT token pre-sale. We are launching a pre-sale for SBT tokens, converting all crowdfunded funds to SBT after listing and staked at an APR commensurate with industry standard. Remember the soul band tokens I talked about in my last video? The 10% SUI takes from your withdrawals whenever you withdraw. Yes, so that's the SBT tokens, and they said it's going to be on pre-sale. Then leadership commissions to reward leaders and community partners will enable a lifetime opportunity to earn commission during the pre-sale and from the trade of our community. Our vision: with your collective support, we are confident that SBT will have a successful and robust listing on various top-tier exchanges. Our new strategic partnership will propel SUI Bison to become a top Web3 gaming community. So this is my final statement about SUI Bison. Do not try to do any deposit on SUI Bison for now. I don't know when they're going to do that SBT listing. I'm just reading what is on their Telegram channel. I don't know when they're going to do the SBT listing. And they said, according to what is read here, they said it's going to be listed on top exchange platform. I'm not asking you to look forward to it. I am not asking you to look forward to it. As at now, withdrawals and deposits have come to a halt on SUI Bison. So we don't know the next step they're going to do. I've actually seen reactions on their comment, and I've also made my own Telegram review about them on my Telegram account. I made a Telegram review about them to my Telegram account. So as of now, this is all we know about SUI Bison. Deposits and withdrawals are currently not available. Is it still a scam? I cannot 100% say it is, but I have 60% doubt about any further progress from here. Let me rephrase what I just said. Is SUI Bison still now a scam? At this stage with what they have said so far or drop on their Telegram channel, I am not 100% sure that they are still legit. I am not 100% sure they are still legit. And I am not going to tell you to look forward to the SBT listing because I do not know when is this going to come up. And I don't know the top tier exchange platforms are going to be using. But for now, don't make any deposits into your SUI because this is not going to reflect. Withdrawals is under maintenance. If there's any update, I will let you know. But for now, SUI Bison deposit and withdrawal is not going to be available according to their platform. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer, or do yourself a favor and just join the Telegram channel and ask questions that you'll be attended to. So this is what SUI Bison dropped this morning, 10th of March 2025.